These are two of the most popular truck bed covers on the road. The first one is the Backflip MX4. It's the hard folding aluminum matte black cover. Sits low profile and it looks really good on the truck. The next one is the UnderCover painted to match. This one is called the Elite LX. It has a handle on the outside. You can push it right up, get into your truck. This is that one-piece hard style. People really like that classic truck bed cover. The only problem is sometimes you can't load up your bed too much with taller items, but most often people get this cover because they like the fact that it wraps around the side and they like that painted to match appearance. The MX4 is a more functional style because when you lower the tailgate on this one, you get instant access to your bed by pulling a cable, and then you can flip this up. So you can't just pick it up, you have to pull that cable underneath, and it unlocks the mechanism from underneath the panel, which automatically locks each time you fold it. So that way you can buckle it here and drive with it down the road in this position. It also has the padded bumpers that protect the back window. When it's time to flip up all the way, you now have the ability to prop it open on both sides and go down the road highway speed safe. You have your third brake light up there. This rail system is clamped onto the bed. That's how it's attached. So it's a much different concept. This is for someone that uses their truck more. This is for someone that wants more style and appearance out of it. But this one looks just as good. It matches the bed caps really nice. It has that new textured matte finish. It's easy to take on and off too. You just twist off two turn knobs on the bottom here and then it comes right off. And if any water gets inside this rail, it has a drain tube that goes out of the back corner, so it keeps the water out. Also has weather sealing in the front too. Buckle right here for you to go down the road safe in this position. And then you just keep unfolding it and it just locks. It has that integrated seal, so you don't have to shut your tailgate first, close the cover, shut the tailgate. So it's up to you to decide which cover you want to get. We have a lot of different truck bed covers here for viewing at Truck Access Plus.